Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I will show you how to manage app permissions in Health application. The fastest way will be to open your Health application first of all, then let's tap your profile icon in the top right. Under Privacy, you should open Apps, and you will see a list of all compatible applications that are currently on your iPhone, and you want to tap an individual application to see exactly which data types it is allowed to write and read. So here you will see allow this application to write, and below it allow this application to read. So additionally, you can press turn off all at the top to disable all access. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.